Or you can give it to Dad.
It's broken!
Wow. Thing is legit. Got a tripod. Wanted one of these for a while. Clip so you can hear me better on my videos.
One side of the roof is
Ooh, nice work.
lame-o.
When is it sprinkle time?
Soon once that.
Nicely done. I like what you're doing. Here's our
The front barely has anything.
stress in a box. Looks like a church. This is the back. The back has nothing. The front has a door.
Yeah, that's where we're gonna go and hide next Christmas.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe we might put our shepherd in there.
I think he's a little bit too big.
Maybe.
So this year we bought this one because we thought it would be easier and actually taste good. It's a struggle to put together. But we're smiling, so it must not be too miserable.
It's the jogger.
It's the what?
It's the jogger smiling.